Hey guys, welcome back to Soulful Adventures, and I'm Hina. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Cancer for the month of December 2020. Right now I'm shuffling cards for you guys. Okay, so let's draw some cards. Okay. Okay. Overall energy, Knight of Cups. So let's begin with your first overall energy for Cancer, that is Knight of Cups. So Knight of Cups is an energy where this is a new love coming into your life. It could also mean that it is some flirty kind of, attitude that's going to come to your life. A romantic, very passionate soul who is going to offer you love, who is being very creative in love. So if you guys were waiting for a love proposal to come, then this month, yes, that wait would be over, definitely. It is very creative, very chivalry kind of energy where you are feeling loved and waiting for that new love, that tender love to come into your life. So yes, I mean, this are the holidays month. This month is all about Christmas and family get-togethers. So definitely this is the love where you could find that soulmate energy coming to you in this month. So that's an overall energy for the Cancer, Knight of Cups. A passionate love coming into your life. So let's begin with our reading. The first card that we have got is Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands represents communication. It means that there is going to be a direct message or some news, some good news you're waiting for to be coming in this month. Then definitely Cancerians, you are going to get that good news in this month. If some communication from some people you were missing, yes, definitely they are going to communicate to you, or you are going to communicate with them. Okay, so communication is the key in this month. So if you are not talking to some people because of some differences, this is the month where you have to forget all those things, look into their good side and begin communication with them. Okay, because that's where you are going to get, that's life, guys. Okay, so try to communicate your opinions, your thoughts, your ideas very openly this month. Okay, because Cancer is a sign where those are the water signs. I could say they are very caring, they are loving, but at the same time they expect a little, a very little from others. I feel in return they don't expect much, that if they are caring, people should also care about them. No, they are not expecting too much from others, but at the same time they would love if someone appreciate them. They just want appreciation from you. They don't want any other form of love. No money, no finances. They are only deprived of true love and affection. If you show them by communicating, if you are appreciating for their care and work this December, if you have friends who are Cancers and Cancerians, if you have yourself, be self-appreciating. This month is all about communication. Appreciate others, accept appreciation. Okay, so that's the communication in this month. What second card we have is Five of Swords. Five of Swords is a card where there could be arguments. Basically what we can say, arguments is like intrapersonal conflicts, too much of battles around you, too much of work stress, gossips, many manipulations in this month. you are quite fed up right now. So in the month of December, due to some work pressure or maybe gossips in the office, manipulations going on with you, around you, you are fed up of this negative energy and toxic energy, and this is going to give you a bit headache this month. So try to, try to be away from all these gossips and this negative toxic energies around you. Okay, then it is going to be quite yeah, because what sense I'm getting, if this, literally, if you could see this signs, the crow is cawing in the ear of a person, this is typical a gossip energy. So if someone is gossiping and just, creating some illusions, manipulating you, try to be away from them, because then this is going to be a headache for you in this month, and we are not seeking any headaches this month. Okay, Cancerians. Then what we have as your third card is the Empress. Now the Empress is a beautiful creative energy where you are a creator and a creation both. So Empress is a card where she has a complete hold, a complete world in her hand, and she is known for the abundance. So Cancerian, this month you have a major arcana energy of the Empress. You have an opportunity to, grab the whole world in your hand to create something beautiful. If you were manifesting some abundance, more money into like flowing towards yourself, or new job, new business, yes, you definitely will get that opportunity. If this month, I would say invest a lot. If you are planning some investments, invest in good returns, very frankly speaking, because Empress is an energy. If you sow a seed right now, if you create something, it is going to be a big creation. Okay, abundance. This could also mean for some women that there could be a good news, and yes, a motherhood card, a very abundant card with all the beautiful energy, all the abundance, completely happy family card this is. So yes, the Empress is a queen. If you see, there is a moon over here, that's associated with Cancer. It's a ruling planet of Cancer. Moon is a ruling planet of Cancer. So this month, today is a full moon day, by the way, where I'm doing this reading. So yes, definitely this signifies a lot of things. I suppose Cancerians, you would be helped by your ruling planet this month a lot. Okay, so try to be abundant, try to give others, make donations, and I hope charity, I mean to say, and without telling anybody, that's a charity I'm talking about. What I'm sensing, give abundantly, receive abundantly. This is what an Empress means. Then what we have, I'm so sorry, as your next card is Eight of Swords. Okay, if you could see, there are two eights, Eight of Wands and Eight of Swords. Now guys, this is an energy where you might feel that you are caged, but you are your own energy, how you could go ahead of this, right? So if this is associated with communication, Eight of Swords is an energy where you will be feeling bounded, caged. Again, I told you, manipulations, gossips. So you would be like, I'm trapped in this negative energy, but only way out of it is communication. So communicate in this way that you need to end complete toxic energy and come out of it. You completely know how to free yourself is in your hands. How to not distract yourself over these manipulations is the only way, that is communication. So communication is going to be a key factor in the month of December for you guys, to not fall into some gossips and all those negative toxic things this month. King of Wands, again, take a charge in your hand. This is a passionate energy, very powerful, very wise energy. King is a person where he has complete control over own emotions, over own passion. take your charge. Don't fall prey to any manipulations, any gossips. Take your charge. Take the passion with you, work for that passion, and leave all the negative energy besides. Okay, we have 5 of Pentacles in your last card. That is, guys, 5 of Pentacles is an energy where you could feel little loss of money, spendings this month. It could also mean that you know exactly how you are going to earn or different sources of income. Okay, at the same time, there is a lot of spendings this month, definitely. And some or other, it could also be associated with, because of financial pressure, there could be health pressures also, health stress also. It could also mean that this is the time to clear your blockages. If you are feeling blocked, which you are feeling, okay, if you feel that you are being trapped, you need to get out of this trapped condition, this manipulations, and if you need to come out of it, communication is the key. Now, very, very frankly, if communication is the key, that key is this: you are already fed up of all these manipulations and gossips, and this is the door of Pentacles, your health and your wealth. You just need to grab this key and unlock the door and get out of this situation. Very specifically make note of this, and communication is the key. So if you feel that you have been manipulated, you are been cheated, there is a betrayal, there are gossips around you, of you, you just need to speak straight away and just unlock the door of this negativity and come out of it. Cancerians, be this tough this month, very frankly speaking. And there is an overall energy where you are going to get many new proposals, or that one love proposal you are waiting for. Yeah, someone offering you very passionate love, or you offering someone a very passionate love. So with this, we would be meeting in our next month reading for Cancers in the month of January. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.